Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. Now in today's video I'm going to take you through all the features of Google's Bard AI. Now we understand that Bard is actually a strong competitor to Chat GPT. Both of them are trying to search each other out in the AI chatbot space. So in today's video I'm going to highlight some of the strong points of Bard, Google's Bard, that is as against Chat GPT. This is not in any way to discredit Chat GPT because both of them can be used according to a situation. And now if today is the very first time of you watching, I'm Joe, the tech guy and the man. Let's do this together now. Okay guys, type in Bard or Google Bard in your search bar. Click enter. You will see the first one. You can see try Bard today. Click on it. It takes you here. This is actually Bard's landing page. You can see Bard can help you explain quickly, can help you draft a design for a brief, bookstore's new logo, and all of that, all the things that you can do. Just click on try Bard on it. It takes you here. This is Google's terms. So just scroll down and click I agree, to the terms, and it tells you that as you try Bard, please remember that Bard is not always right. This is the normal prompt any AI tool will tell you. So you have to cross-check any output you get from here. So just check that and click continue here. Normally we enter a prompt. You can see I'm Bard, your creative and helpful collaborator. I have limitations. I won't always the same thing I explained earlier. It is important you get to cross-check any info you get from any of these AI tools. If you click here, this particular pane that's supposed to be here disappears. I think this is actually the UI effect here. So just that here you can click here to start new chat. So when you enter a prompt here, automatically a new chat is created, or you can create it manually and it will populate this particular side of your screen just like that. So right now we are going to enter a prompt and see how it works. I'm just saying outline 5 best fitness routines for women. So once you're done, just click on enter. So you can see the output as it is. Beautiful, very well arranged, and then if you scroll down, you can see how Bard responds. And one thing you notice is that it doesn't, unlike ChatGPT where things are written out, this one just takes a bit and then throws everything out at a go. So, and in this case they're actually photos, relevant photos depending on the search you imputed. This is another photo relevant to the result that we're getting here. I think this is pretty useful. So if you click on view other drafts, there are actually a couple of drafts here. This is draft 2, this is draft 3. So if you are not satisfied, you can use this place to regenerate drafts as well. So currently this is draft 1, but if you switch it to draft 2, you can see it right here. This is the draft 2 as it is, and you can see a whole different response, a whole new different set of photos and every other thing for this particular draft. Like I said, if you're not okay, you can use draft 3 or you can regenerate all the drafts, as a matter of fact. And if you want it to read it for you, you can click here.
Sure, here are 5 of the best fitness routines for women. 1. Strength training. Strength training is essential for building muscle and strength, which can help you burn more calories.
Now that's it. So here you can see it's outlined, like I said, the new chat. So if you click on the 3 dots, you can pin it here, you can rename or you can delete. That is for your result right there. So here I'm going to click on new chat and another chat interface will come out. The other one will just be listed on there. So I'm going to put in another prompt to see what we get. I'm just going to type list 5 health benefits of cucumber. So once that is done, just click on enter. Like I said, it takes a bit, then spits out everything. And you can see on the left side, just as you would have in your Chat GPT, every chat is listed. So here you have sources included in the response. Here you can give a thumbs up or a thumb down. You can modify responses from here. You can share and export. You can even go ahead to see related searches by googling it, just like so. You can see related topics to what I think this adds more, to the response compared to Chat GPT. Let's try this out. I'll just give Chat GPT a prompt and see what happens in comparison. So once that is done, you can see the first thing you notice is that Chat GPT types it from the beginning instead of spitting it as once. And you can see there are no photos here, there are no relevant links, there are no some of the things that you have here on Bard. As a matter of fact, you don't have all of that here, except you specifically ask ChatGPT to give you that. Now, if you go back here, you can see that the comparison is there. So depending on use case, I think ChatGPT is good for some use cases. Here you can use in Bard, as a matter of fact, you can use voice search, but here you don't have in ChatGPT. There is no voice search. So like I was saying, in some use cases, Bard is strong in some instances, and ChatGPT is also strong in some instances. So you can actually read here. Try it out. Try out. What you can get from this Bard. Use them together. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next.